Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Multispan FRT-22 Forward Reverse Timer. Main LED. For visualization of power supply status. First knob. For forward reverse time setting. Second knob. For pause time setting between forward and reverse function. Piano switch. For unit and range selection. Relay output. First relay output for forward time and second relay output for reverse time. Now let's see 360-degree view of our FRT-22 model. Here we can see all the configuration details are available on enclosure itself. This product is DIN rail mount. Here you can see how to set timing for forward and reverse relay output. Second side of the enclosure we can see relay connection terminal, power supply connection details and forward and reverse timing function diagram. Here we can see product is CE certified. Now let's configure FRT-22. Here we will select 10 second for forward and reverse timing. For that we have to select SW1 off. And SW2 and SW3 will be on. Here we'll select SW4 for on for pause time. And pause is in multiplier for 10 second. Here we can see we can select pause time between 1 to 100 second. Here we will set pause time for 1 second. And forward and reverse timing for 10 second. Let's do select timing switch for 10 second. For forward time relay we have connected green LED and for reverse time relay we have connected red LED. Now we will give power supply. We can see our forward relay will be on for 10 seconds. Pause time is also 10 seconds. And reverse relay time is also 10 seconds. Here relay will be paused for 10 seconds. And after that reverse relay will be one that will also on for 10 seconds. Now we'll see we can change pause time according to our application. And we can also set forward and reverse time according to our application. Now we'll select pause time by 1 second and forward and reverse time by 1 second. We'll see the practical. Technical specifications. Power supply, 230 volt AC plus or minus 20%, 50 Hz. Output, 2 relay output, 1C/0, 5 ampere 230 volt AC, resistive load, first relay for forward time and second relay for reverse time. Forward and reverse time range, 0.1 seconds to 10-hour pause time, 1 second to 100 seconds. Dimension, 90 by 22.5 by 72. Mounting, DIN rail mounting.